Next is the toners. Ito na guys yung aking mga combo. Ito na guys yung talagang miracle worker ko for my skin. Ang tagal ko na to guys ginagamit. Nasabi ko na to sa aking video, sa aking review. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Michael Angeles and welcome back to another Vain video. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guess what guys, in this episode of Paano Pumiti Ko mini series, meron tayong i-unbox. I-unwrap. Basta, meron tayong bubuksan guys na package. And this is from Flawless First. Ayan, thank you Sir Drew Justin Morata for sending me this. And, ano ba nakalagay dito? Nakalagay dito guys yung name ni Sir Justin and yung address ng Flawless First and yung FB page. Yung FB page nila guys, i-search nyo lang Flawless First. Ayan. And lalabas na yun guys. Makikita nyo na dun guys yung video ko ni MJ Garcia Perez and ni Gab Pineda. Yun. So far kami pa lang yung YouTuber na nag-review about Flawless First. The thing with this package is this one is bigger than the usual na natatanggap ko. Yung toner na pang morning and yung toner na pang evening, yun guys yung nare-receive ko. But this time, it's a lot bigger. Usually guys, parang kalahati lang yung laman eh. This time, ito, isang buo siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung tama idea ko. Before kasi hindi ko guys ginagamit yung sunblock nila. Gusto kong itry yung sunblock ulit. Nagamit ko na siya before, pero guys, sabi ko kasi meron akong ginagamit na sunblock, so hindi ko siya ginamit ng matagal. So, ngayon lang ulit. Feeling ko, isa yun sa laman ng ano na to. But then, again, yeah. Kailangan na lang natin itong buksan. Hindi unbox kasi nga wala siya sa box. So, we have to just open this package. And, yeah. Excited ako kung ano man ang meron sa package na to. So, yeah. Thank you, Sir Justin Morata, for this package. Ayan. Almost every month nakaka-receive ako, guys, ng package from Sir Drew. Paano ko ba ito bubuksan? Kidding. This pink na gunting. Wow, diba? And may flower dito. Ang cute. Wala lang. Hiniram ko to sa sister-in-law ko. And I have my own pero nawawala eh. So, ayun. Ito na muna. Yan, buksan natin to. But before we start, please make sure to click that subscribe button below and don't forget to hit that bell button beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload another Vain video for you guys. Going back to our haul. Tama ba? Nasa frame ba? Alright. And there you go. Let's see. So, ang dami na guys. Kasi usually talaga, hanggang dito lang, maiksi. Then, hanggang dito lang, bitin. So, wala to, part na to, and wala tong part na to sa ibabaw. So, ayan siya guys. Naka-bubble wrap. Okay na okay guys yung packaging nila. And, yan, naka-bubble wrap pa. So, sigurado tayo guys na pag umorder kayo, talagang safe yung product nyo inside the package. So, thumbs up for that. Lalagay ko na lang guys dito sa screen yung Facebook page nila para makapag-message na kayo and masubukan nyo itong product na to guys. Meron akong full review ng toner nila. Yung best combo nila na toner. Sobrang the best yun guys. And yeah, panoorin nyo yun guys. I'm gonna be putting the link on the description box below para guys malaman nyo kung bakit nag-stick ako with this toners from Flawless First. So, yeah. Let's open na to. Dami-dami ko nang sinabi. But, yeah, let's open this one. Ganun talaga. Alright. So, we're going to do a haul. So, yan. Unahin na natin, guys. Dito sa nakadungaw. This one daw is lemon soap. Ayan, lemon soap. Definitely, I'm gonna use this one. Hindi nga lang ako sure kung sa face ko gagamitin or baka guys sa body na lang talaga. Kasi guys, meron pa akong ginagamit ngayon. And gusto ko maubos yung at least 3 tubes nun. Pag-isipan ko guys kung gagamitin ko to sa face. But definitely, I'm gonna use this one sa body ko and we will see kung may effect ba to sa akin. So yeah, this is a lemon soap which is whitening and anti-acne. And nakalagay dito guys, 135 grams. And yeah, Flawless First. There you go. Next is... yeah. Let's see. Alright, this one is the Gluta with Collagen Soap. Ito naman guys is whitening and anti-aging. Ganun din. So parang anti-aging din and whitening din. Yun nga lang, this one is Gluta with collagen. So yeah, alam naman natin guys na yung Gluta is whitening, then collagen is anti-aging. So yeah, perfect combination yan guys. Excited ako to try this soap. Pero baka sa body nga muna. Cut lang ako ng half or 1/3 sa sabon na to para magamit ko muna sa body. Most probably, I'm gonna give you guys my full review or full thoughts about this soap. This one is Gluta with collagen. Yeah, which is whitening and anti-aging with 135 grams then. And yeah, from Flawless First. Yeah, that's our second item inside this package. Alright, the third one is another soap, guys. This one is... alright, this one is the Glutamilk, which is anti-aging then and whitening. Grabe, lahat sila anti-aging and whitening. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Ha? Yeah, Glutamilk. So, anti-aging, whitening, and yeah, feeling ko guys moisturizing. Kasi guys, natry ko na to. Nagamit ko na to, pero hindi ko naubos. Pinabigay ko yata yung half. So, this time, ubusin ko to guys, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys kung ano yung thoughts ko about this product. May nag-text sa akin guys, and about sa birthday ko, meron ako guys pag-giveaway. Mini giveaway lang naman. I just wanna share yung SCT Gluta Kojic Ultra Soap, which is my favorite soap. Lalagay ko na lang guys yung mechanics sa baba. If you want to win soaps, and pag-isipan ko guys kung ano pa i-add ko, just to give back to you guys about, you know, kung ano yung mga na-receive ko na PR package and blessings. Gusto ko guys i-share sa inyo yung iba. Check nyo guys sa baba yung mechanics, or if ever hindi ko pa nagagawa yung mechanics, check nyo guys sa baba yung way to join my giveaway. I think ang magiging winners is mga 3. Ayan. Check nyo guys sa baba. May lalagay ako doon na link. You have to join that group sa Facebook. And yeah, doon ko ibibigay guys yung mechanics kung paano mag-join sa ating mini giveaway. Anyway, going back sa ating haul. Alright. Meron tayo ditong sunblock cream. There. And another sunblock cream. Ayan. Dalawa yung pinadala ni Flawless First sa akin. Ang bait naman, grabe. Sabi ko lang naman gusto kong itry. But yeah, I got 2 of the sunblock cream regular. So, bakit kaya regular, no? Tatanungin ko siya kung bakit regular. Sir Drew, bakit regular? Comment down below para mabasa din ng mga nanonood ng video na to. So yeah, nakaka-excite guys, subukan to. Ano ba yung mga nakalagay dito? For clinic use only. Active ingredients. Guys, nalabong mata ko. Basta, ayun na yun. Hindi ko din mababasa. And yeah. There you go. Next is the toners. Ito na guys yung aking mga combo. Ito na guys yung talagang miracle worker ko for my skin. Ang tagal ko na to guys ginagamit. Nasabi ko na to sa aking video, sa aking review, that these 2 toners are my miracle worker. This is rejuvenating facial solution, and this one is the antibiotic astringent. And yeah, the best to guys combination, ang kinis ng skin ko because of this. Ito guys yung rejuvenating product na nasubukan ko and super the best to guys. Perfect combination, antibiotic astringent, rejuvenating facial solution. The best, the best, the best. Paulit-ulit because yun nga. Ilang masasabi ko guys, the best to guys. Pero bakit 3? Tingnan natin yung isa pa. Okay. Isang antibiotic pa. So I have 2 antibiotic and 1 rejuvenating facial solution. Alright, bakit to guys the best? Para naman ma-justify ko kung bakit to guys the best. Kasi guys, itong antibiotic astringent, I promise, is very mild sa face. Ginagamit ko to every single morning. And definitely nag-work to guys. mukhang matapang siya, di ba? Like, pakinggan yung antibiotic astringent dahil nga antibiotic, then astringent. But this one, guys, is very mild sa skin. Yeah. Hindi ko alam ba't ganun yung pangalan nito. Baka pwedeng palitan. But yeah. Super okay ito, guys. Hindi magbabalat yung skin mo kung ito lang gagamitin mo alone. But, if you want to rejuvenate your skin, micro-peeling, it will give your skin parang glow na hindi mo ina-expect. Cutis artista talaga. Cutis artista talaga, guys, with this product. Ayan, itong rejuvenating facial solution. But yeah, like I said, may micro-peeling and konting redness, pero eventually it will fade naman. It will give you that super kinis na skin, yung flawless talaga. Kaya perfect to, guys, sa ating series, which is the Paano Pumuti Ko Mini series. These two are my miracle worker. Perfect to, guys. I think that's it for this haul. Ayan. And wala na, nasad ako. I want more pa sana. Bakit, guys, oh, gawin kong bag. Just kidding. Yeah. So that's our unboxing. I mean, that's our... So yeah, that's it for this video. And yun, tapos na tayo mag-haul. Yung bata ko, guys, favorite yun. Ayan. Ayun. I guess that's it for this haul. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for clicking this video. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, comment down below. See you in the next one. Good luck and peace.